Alright, so what we are doing right now, mixing up some primer. And I know, you guys are like, why are you whispering? We do have neighbors. They're across the street, but I still feel the need to be quiet. I don't know why. It's weird. It's weird, I know. And I know this is my attire right now. This was a very spur of the moment thing. I was talking to my girlfriend, and actually, let me start from the beginning. I was on Forza seeing if a set of rims looked good. And I started thinking, you know what? Maybe I should paint the bumper. And now, told my girlfriend, she was like, go paint the bumper. Biggest inspiration, that girl. I can mix up a two. A two should do that. My hardener. I'm gonna lay this one on there. Not relatively thick, but thicker than I did in the beginning to hopefully avoid some of the rock chips and let this be a proper cushion. I'm going to put 2 caps of reducer to flow it out a little bit because the high build is very, very high build.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with
All right, armor's mixed. Let's go blast this thing.
the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
Tell them what your name is. Amplify for the speed house.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my
Now this is the ender of all enders here. Oh, even better second time seeing it. It is finally time to get these beautiful parts painted. Just in this one swoop and go, we're getting both of them painted in the same video. There's no reason to make extra videos about the same things that are getting done. It's gonna be the same process. So, what we have to do is get this beautiful room cleaned and ready for it. It smells like Vicks Vapor Rub in here. That's good. That's a healthy sign. Clean up some of the trash. So what we are gonna do first is I wanna get this room cleaned out. Everything has to get wet down, all the walls, everything, the whole floor, everything. Everything has to get wet down. And then 2, this I hosed off. I washed it. Sorry for that little thing right there, that little sound. But this is washed off. It is hosed off. I literally cleaned this as if it was, you know, just on the car and just properly took care of it. But, ooh, that's the other thing. I already scuffed it. I already sanded it. I'm skipping all the boring stuff. You guys want to see a paint job? We are going to get this paint job done. Let's get this thing prepped and ready for some beautiful paint.
I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
Tell them what your name is.
beautiful time again where we can start mixing more paint. Oh, I haven't smelled that since I painted it. This actually smells like my car. This is bringing back some really interesting memories. Let's go paint a bumper. All right, she is painted. All right, now it is time to mix up some pearl. We can get some pearl on while that defogs in there. Let's go shoot some pearl.
If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the
And last but not least, it is time to mix up clear. We can give you a good view. All right, so here, paint stick. What I'm actually gonna do here is so that's the 2 there, going up to the 2. This is a 4-to-1 mix here, meaning it is 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener. That is the 1 part hardener. Now, this is the reducer right here, DT870. And I'm going to put 2 caps of this in to help it spray a little better. And because I have the spats in there as well, I'm also going to mix up another hair. So what I'm going to do is probably another 2 caps into here and a 1/2 cap of hardener. Half cap of hardener. And for this, I'm also just going to throw in a splash of reducer. Now, can mix this up, and we can get ourselves ready to spray. Let's go spray some clear. it is part 2 time of going to see how it came out. We have the sunlight. It's gonna be so hard to see this on camera. All that pearl that's in there looks so nice. I'm saying all that pearls if you guys haven't seen the car. Oh, it does though, it just looks so nice. There's absolutely nothing like fresh clear coat. Glassed out perfectly. I'm gonna take these 2 panels in here. So what I did was, I forgot to mention this, I put clear coat in here, as you can see on the inside, because I'm gonna have to double-sided tape. Hold on, there we go. I'm gonna have to double-sided tape this line in here, because that's what's gonna go up against the car. So I wanted to give it a nice, very clean and, you know, I don't even know the word that I'm looking for, just a very plain, flatter surface, I guess would be the better term, so it could stick to the car, because I want to use the thin double-sided tape and not like the really thick stuff, because I don't like using double-sided tape on a car. But unfortunately with this kit there is no alternative, and that's the way it's got to go. That is going to take some time to dry. I hope you guys enjoyed. The next video you see, that'll probably be on. I'm not gonna bore you guys with putting a bumper on a car. It gets pretty boring. So, I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.